Mainit na usapan ngayon sa social media itong potensyal na laban ni Marlon Tapales at ni Naoya Inoue. At maraming mga fans kaagad nagsasabi, bigay mo na lang daw yung belt mo, Marlon, kay Naoya Inoue. Mga walang tiwala. At bro, gamitin mo yan as inspirasyon. Pero ako, naniniwala ako. At pwede kang hindi maniwala, naniniwala ako na mas malaki po ang tsansa ni Marlon Tapales na manalo kay Naoya Inoue kaysa kay Stephen Fulton. At may dalawang bagay akong sasabihin sa inyo. Pakinggan nyo to. Pwede kayong mag-agree at disagree.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Salud Powercast Sports. Ito na naman tayo, no? Nung una, sinabi kong easy work, Stephen Fulton knockout. May mga hindi naniwala. 58% kayo, ha? Pero ngayon, sinasabi ko na sa inyo, mas malaki yung chance ni Marlon Tapales kay Stephen Fulton. Simple lang yung explanation ko. At alam ko, maraming mga boxers, may mga trainers, may managers na makikinig sa akin. And totoo naman na to. I'm not being biased to Marlon Tapales because he's a Filipino, but I will tell Marlon Tapales that use all of the hate and the doubt as an inspiration. Pero ang katotohanan, dihado talaga si Marlon Tapales. So let me get that clear, ha? Baka naman may mga iingot-ingot na naman na may sinasabi akong ganito, ha? Dihado po si Marlon Tapales. Pero totoo naman na mas malaki ang chance niya. Isimple lang ang sagot ko dyan. Pare, Stephen Fulton, sabi nga nung kaibigan kong expert sa boxing. Kahit ikaw, sir, kaya mo tanggapin yung suntok ni Stephen Fulton eh. Yun ang joke. Siguradong baksak ako doon. Pero ang ibig sabihin po natin dyan is Stephen Fulton doesn't have the power to really hurt Naoya Inoue, and that therefore he doesn't have anything to offer. Plus, I do not think you can beat Naoya Inoue by boxing. I do not think. No? Nakita na natin yung glimpse na yan kung paano muntik na talunin si Naoya Inoue. Just look at Nonito Donaire. What did Nonito Donaire do in this in his first fight? Doon makikita natin yung susi. So kung tatakbuhan mo yan, you're just gonna give confidence dito kay Naoya Inoue. So ito yung una. No? Ito yung una. Ang una pong dahilan kung bakit mas malaki ang tsansa ni Marlon Tapales si Marlon Tapales may knockout power. Kaya magpabaksak. Stephen Fulton, 8 knockouts. Marlon Tapales, in his last 3 fights, 2 po pinabaksak niya. At may boxing skill din siya. Kasi tinalo niya si Akhmadiliev. So people who doesn't believe that Marlon Tapales has better chance, listen to this. And I'm staking my word. Real talk to. Alam naman natin yan. Ito pa isa. Ito dito. Remember when Nonito Donaire fought Naoya Inoue the first time? May mga nagsasabi dito na muntik na, di ba? And what was missing? What was missing with Nonito Donaire? Ang kasabihan po ng mga fans. Ang sabi ng mga tao doon, kasi po kung bata-bata lang po si Nonito Donaire, kaya niya sana. Then, there you go. 31 years old. Marlon Tapales is at his prime. So, he has his prime. He has the better power than Stephen Fulton. So, he has better chance. No, I'm not saying he's gonna win or he's gonna lose. We're gonna talk about that in other times. Pero sa mga fans na nagsasabi na wala, meron pag-asa. Because I think the real strategy, is not to box. I think, ito, kung boksingero ka, alam mo. Kung hindi ka boksingero, hindi ka maniwala eh. Sa boxing po, lalo na kung may lakas ka, unahan lang yan. At kailangan lang makuha ni Marlon Tapales. Yun yung unang nasa isip ko.